Amazing Grass, Organic Amazing Protein, Glow, Vanilla Honeysuckle, 11.1 ounces, 315 grams. Product Overview Description: 15 grams protein, 100% daily biotin, 80 calories, USDA organic whole food dietary supplement, gluten-free, no sugar added, plant-based, non-GMO, supports healthy skin, supports recovery and repair, nourishing energy, certified organic by KOF, organic is non-GMO and more. Plant-based protein with reviving superfoods to help support collagen synthesis. Amazing Protein Vanilla Honeysuckle. Our latest amazing nutritional powder is crafted with organic plant-based proteins, antioxidant-rich superfoods and alkalizing greens grown on our family farm in Kansas. With 15 grams protein, plant-derived B-complex and C vitamins plus 100% DV biotin, it's a deliciously convenient way to support healthy, nourished skin and full body radiance so you can look and feel amazing every day. Rose petal, source of phytonutrients. Acerola cherry, supplies vitamin C. Guava, rich in thiamine, riboflavin, and niacin. Holy basil, adaptogenic herb. Lemon, folate containing. Farm family roots. We organically grow and harvest the most nutrient-rich greens on our family farm in Kansas and craft them with the highest quality plant-based ingredients curated from like-minded farmers around the world. Honestly grown. Thoughtfully harvested. Simply enjoyed. Not a low-calorie food. Suggested use: add 1 scoop with 8 fluid ounces or more of water, milk or smoothie. Other ingredients: organic protein blend, pea protein, brown rice protein, natural flavors, organic stevia extract, organic acacia gum, organic acerola cherry, Origin Bees organic B-complex blend, guava, holy basil, lemon peel extract, xanthan gum, organic greens blend, wheatgrass, kale, organic rose petal, Origin Bio organic biotin, from sesbania leaf. Warnings: contents sold by weight, not volume. Best kept in a cool, dry place after opening. Disclaimer: while iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.